Hi, my name is Jessica Sinarski, and I am the author of What's Inside Your Backpack, with beautiful, engaging illustrations by Joanne Lou Reithoff. I've spent my whole career helping kids and families navigate difficult life experiences and big feelings. They're heavy, whether we like it or not. These metaphorical books end up in kids' backpacks, things like sadness or worry, and they weigh them down. I wrote What's Inside Your Backpack to help lighten the load. There are a few messages that I want to highlight that will really shine through for readers. First, you are not alone. Shame wants you to hide away, but there are safe people ready to help. And safe people, there are some tips for caring adults here in the back for teachers, therapists, parents, everyone who's trying to help lighten that load for kiddos. Second, you are resilient. I've included a few concrete resilience strategies in the form of bright thought bookmarks to help kids set aside those books that they don't need to carry. And third, you are strong and courageous. One constant in all of my work with youth impacted by trauma is tremendous courage. What's Inside Your Backpack helps readers hold both the hard parts of their story and their incredible strength. It's a fantastic conversation starter and a clear message to youth that you are not alone. You are resilient and you are strong and courageous regardless of what's inside your backpack.